Hi, in this video I show you how to reset oil change reminder message come up on the dash on Toyota Alphard 2020 yeah, right. Turn the ignition on and press the menu button and then press setup, scroll down and select vehicle, select maintenance, select oil change, and this vehicle has 0 kilometer left. We have changed the oil and oil filter, done the service, we're just resetting it. Are you sure you want to reset the maintenance item? Yes, the maintenance item oil change has been reset. We go back. This flag is green now, before it was amber, and just go back to the normal menu, turn the ignition off, turn ignition back on, and the messages disappear. All done, all resetted. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.